Hello everyone friends! Today we're going to explore one of the most popular and rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Bybit. This powerful platform is already trusted by millions of users worldwide from beginners to professional traders. In this video, I'll show you how to register on Bybit, complete the verification process, fund your account, trade on spot and futures, earn through staking, and even copy trades from successful traders. And most importantly, I'll tell you how to get a bonus of up to 30,000 USDT when you register using our promo code PUMP6969. If you're looking for a reliable exchange with an intuitive interface, low fees, and maximum earning potential, this video is definitely for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. There's even more reviews, strategies, and ways to earn in crypto coming up, so let's get started. Bybit is one of the largest and fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, founded in 2018. In a short time, it has entered the top rankings by trading volume and has become the choice of millions of traders from over 180 countries. The platform is registered in Dubai and operates under the oversight of the local regulator, VARA. This means that Bybit complies with international standards of security and transparency. The exchange offers a huge selection of trading and investment tools, is known for its stable performance, high speed of order execution, and reliable fund protection. Over 99% of assets are stored in cold wallets, and the proof of reserves system confirms full backing of user balances. Bybit is actively developing and regularly adds new features while remaining user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. Originally starting as a derivatives exchange, it continues to be one of the strongest in the market specifically for futures. The platform consistently ranks in the top global exchanges for derivatives trading volume, and thanks to its powerful engine, trades are executed quickly with minimal slippage. This is one of the reasons why Bybit is chosen not only by beginners, but also by experienced traders who trade large volumes daily. By the way, check the description for many useful links. To start working with Bybit, you need to complete a simple registration process that takes just a couple of minutes. The process is equally convenient on both computers and the Bybit app. Click the link in the description below the video. This is our official partner link with their promo code PUMP6969, which activates a bonus of up to 30,000 USDT and reduced trading fees. On the opened page, enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Confirm your agreement to the terms and click Create Account. Check your email. You'll receive a message with a confirmation code. Copy the code and paste it on the Bybit website. Once your account is confirmed, you can immediately log into your personal account and download the Bybit mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. As soon as you log in, it is highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is an important step for protecting your account and funds. In your personal account, go to Profile, Security, two-factor authentication. Choose which actions to enable protection for: logging into the account, withdrawing funds, changing password, or security settings. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. A QR code will appear on the Bybit website. Scan it in the app and enter the 6-digit code for confirmation. Make sure to write down the backup key that appears after activation. It will help you regain access if you lose your phone. After enabling two-factor authentication, your account will be protected even in the event of a password leak. Without the one-time code, no one will be able to log in or withdraw funds. Bybit is a regulated international platform, so to fully utilize all features including fiat deposits and withdrawals, participation in Launchpad, and access to earn, you need to complete identity verification, KYC. In your personal account, go to KYC verification section. Specify your country of residence. Choose the type of document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically verify the data, provide your residential address, and confirm your application. Verification usually takes between 5 to 15 minutes. After approval, your status will change to verified and your account will be unlocked for all features: margin trading, Launchpad, staking, and bonus programs. Remember, we've left links to all top exchanges, wallets, and services with unique bonuses in the description below. Depositing funds on Bybit. After registration and completing verification, you can proceed to fund your account. The exchange supports both cryptocurrency deposits and fiat deposits through P2P and online exchange services. All methods are convenient and secure. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency. This is suitable for those who already have crypto. In your personal account, click the deposit button or go to buy cryptocurrency. Deposit cryptocurrency. Both options will lead you to the deposit window. Select the coin you want to deposit, such as USDT or BTC. Choose the network for the transfer, TRC20, ERC20, or another. Copy the wallet address shown by the system. Go to your wallet or another exchange and send the funds to this address. Your cryptocurrency will appear in your balance within a few minutes. It is recommended to use the TRC20 network as it is fast and has minimal fees. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. Bybit has a built-in P2P platform where you can buy USDT directly with a bank card. To fund your account via P2P, go to the top menu, Buy Cryptocurrency, and select P2P Trading, 0% fee. A window will open with a list of sellers where you can buy USDT directly with your bank card. The process is as follows. Choose the currency and payment method. Find a seller with good reviews and a suitable rate. Enter the purchase amount and create the deal. Transfer the money to the seller through your bank. After the transfer, click Confirm Payment. After a few minutes, once the seller verifies the payment, USDT will automatically be credited to your account. Method 3. Deposit via exchange service. If fiat transfers are unavailable, you can use trusted online exchange services. Click the link to the exchange service in the description. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose what you want to receive. For example, USDT TRC20. Specify the amount and the deposit address from Bybit. Complete the payment and wait for confirmation. Your cryptocurrency will appear in your account within a few minutes and you can start trading. You can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat from Bybit via P2P or exchange services. The process is similar to making a deposit, so we won't dwell on it for long. Just follow the same steps as for depositing, but in reverse. Trading on Bybit. Bybit offers two main trading modes: spot market and futures. The platform's interface is intuitive, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced traders. Spot trading. In the spot market, users buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current price or at a manually set price. To access spot trading, click on Spot in the top menu. A list of available coins and trading pairs will open. The process is simple. In the search bar, find the desired pair, for example, BTC USDT. In the right panel, select the type of order. Market order, the trade is executed instantly at the current price. Limit order, specify the price at which you want to buy or sell the asset. The trade will execute when the market reaches that price. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the asset will appear in your spot balance. From there, you can withdraw it, exchange it for another coin, or stake it through the earn section for passive income. Futures trading. Futures are the main instrument on Bybit. They allow you to profit from both rising and falling prices while using leverage. The futures market is a key focus for Bybit. The exchange is known for having one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. Even large orders are executed quickly and without significant slippage. Bybit consistently ranks among the top for derivatives trading volume, meaning orders are processed reliably and accurately without sharp price deviations. This is one of the reasons why futures on Bybit are actively used by both professional traders and newcomers who are just starting to work with leverage. To open futures, click on Futures in the top menu. A list of all available contracts will appear, such as BTC USDT, Sol USDT, and others. All of these are under the USDT Perpetual tab, which consists of perpetual contracts settled in USDT. In the right section of the menu, you will see the list of pairs. Select the desired pair, for example, BTC USDT. After selecting the pair, a trading terminal will open with a chart, order book, and trade management panel. Set your leverage, ranging from 1 to 100, depending on your strategy and experience. Beginners are recommended to start with 2 to 5. Determine the direction of your trade. Long, buy if you expect the price to rise. Short, sell if you anticipate a price drop. Choose the type of order. Market, open the position at the current price. Limit, open at a specified price. Conditional, open the position when a certain level is reached. Specify the trade amount, set stop loss and take profit levels to limit risks, and click open position. Bybit supports 2 types of margin. Cross margin, the total margin is used for all positions, distributing risk across the entire balance. Isolated margin, the margin is fixed for each individual position, allowing you to limit losses in the event of liquidation. For beginners, it is advisable to start with minimal leverage, no higher than 3 to 5x. After opening a trade, you can monitor it on the lower panel of the terminal. Here, all active positions, unrealized profit, P&L, liquidation price, and order history are displayed. If necessary, you can manually close the position or partially close it, as well as adjust stop levels. Bybit combines high liquidity, stable performance, and advanced risk management tools, making it one of the most convenient and functional exchanges for daily trading and active trading. If you want to learn how to invest and trade correctly, welcome to our Telegram channel. We explain things in simple terms. The link is below the video. Copy trading on Bybit. Copy trading is one of the most popular features on Bybit, allowing users to automatically replicate the trades of professional traders. This format is especially convenient for those who want to earn in the market without spending time on independent analysis and trading. Bybit is considered one of the leading platforms for copy trading, offering a vast selection of traders, detailed statistics, and a convenient risk management system. Due to the high liquidity of futures, trades are copied quickly and accurately, making the feature highly stable. How it works. Experienced traders publish their strategies, and users can connect to them to automatically copy all orders, in the same direction and with the same volume, proportional to the chosen amount. When a trader opens or closes a position, it is automatically opened or closed for the copier as well. How to connect to copy trading. Hover over the top menu tools. Select copy trading. The copy trading classic section will open, featuring the best traders on the platform along with detailed statistics and open strategies. In this section, you will find the following tabs: leaderboard, top traders based on various metrics, all traders, a complete list of strategies, favorites, saved traders. Each trader's key performance indicators are displayed directly in their profile. ROI over the period, maximum drawdown, stability index, number of followers, ratios, Sharpe and Sortino, volatility, performance chart. Choose a trader you like, click copy, specify the amount you want to allocate for copy trading, and confirm your connection. From there, the trader's trades will automatically replicate on your account. Additional risk management features. Bybit allows you to finely tune your protection, limit maximum losses, set a maximum trade size, set a limit on the total amount copied, enable or disable stops, stop copying at any time. You can pause the strategy, manually close individual trades, or completely disable copying at any moment. Trader profile page. When you enter a trader's profile, a detailed overview opens. At the top, you can see the number of followers, stability index, trading days, views over the last 7 days, and total AUM, assets under management. Below is the performance block: ROI, trader profit, follower profit, percentage of successful trades, maximum drawdown, average P&L, Sharpe and Sortino ratios, number of profitable and unprofitable trades, and average holding time. On the right, there is a chart where you can switch between total ROI, total profit. Additionally, there are tabs for trades, all open and closed positions, bots if the trader uses bots, followers, audience dynamics, and their results. This allows you to quickly assess how careful, stable, or aggressive a trader is and whether they are worth copying. Professional traders earn a percentage of their followers' profits. This incentivizes them to conduct strategies as carefully and stably as possible. Copy trading is suitable for those who do not want to trade actively, but still wish to participate in market movements and earn from professional experience. If you want to receive stable income from cryptocurrency without active trading, Bybit has a dedicated Earn section located in the top menu under Banking. The Earn section includes various products for passive income. Earn. Basic tools with simple subscription options. Choose a coin, check the yield, and connect with one click. Advanced Earn. Options with higher yields and extended settings for advanced users. Crypto loans. The ability to borrow or lend cryptocurrency using your assets as collateral. On-chain Earn. Yield based on on-chain products and decentralized mechanisms. Easy Earn. A simplified format with fixed yields and minimal settings. Additional features are also available. Bybit Card for crypto, Bybit Pay for quick transfers, and over-the-counter trading for large transactions. All products can be connected in just a few clicks. Select the tool, coin, and amount. The income is credited automatically. Earn on Bybit is a convenient way to gain passive income from your crypto assets without active trading. If you have any questions, feel free to join our closed referral chat where we can provide answers and help you understand everything. The link is also in the description below the video. Bybit is developing its own Web3 ecosystem, allowing users to access DeFi tools directly through their exchange account. The Web3 Wallet provides convenient access to decentralized applications, farming, NFTs, and new tokens, without complicated setups or network switches. The wallet supports popular blockchains, synchronizes with your Bybit account, and is ideal for those looking to combine work on a centralized exchange with Web3 capabilities. Bybit offers a convenient mobile app where all key exchange functions are available: deposits, withdrawals, spot trading, futures, copy trading, earn, and launchpad. The interface is simple and intuitive, and the app operates stably even under high load. Actions in the mobile version fully synchronize with the web account, allowing seamless switching between smartphone and computer. Bybit is considered one of the most reliable cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry. Since its founding in 2018, the platform has not experienced any major hacks, and its security system meets banking standards. Asset storage. Over 99% of user funds are kept in cold wallets, completely isolated from the network. Proof of reserves. The exchange regularly publishes proof of reserves, confirming that all user assets are 100% backed. Data encryption. All information is transmitted over secure protocols and stored in encrypted form. Two-factor authentication. 2FA is recommended to be enabled immediately after registration. It protects account access and fund withdrawals. Users receive notifications about logins, transactions, and security changes, allowing them to respond quickly to suspicious activity. Thanks to this security architecture, Bybit consistently ranks among the most reliable and trusted cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Bonuses and referral program on Bybit. Bybit actively rewards new users and traders who invite friends. After registering with our promo code PUMP6969, you can receive a bonus of up to 30,000 USDT, as well as reduced trading fees and additional privileges based on your activity. How to get the bonus? Click the link in the description and register using promo code PUMP6969. Fund your account and meet the requirements of the welcome program: trading volume, deposit, or participation in promotions. Receive bonuses in your balance that can be used for trading or withdrawal after meeting the requirements. Bybit Referral Program. In your personal account, open the Invite Friends section. Copy your unique link and send it to your friends. When they register and start trading, you will earn a portion of their fees as a reward. Bybit also regularly conducts promotions, contests, and seasonal campaigns with additional rewards for active users, so it's worth checking the promotions section on the homepage periodically. If you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Links to our Telegram, the best exchanges, and wallets are below the video. So, shall we wrap it up? Bybit is not just a cryptocurrency exchange, it's a complete ecosystem for trading, investing, and passive income. Over just a few years, the platform has become one of the world leaders in trading volume and has earned the trust of millions of users. It offers everything a beginner or experienced trader needs. A fast interface, low fees, and a reliable infrastructure make Bybit one of the best platforms for trading and storing cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a platform where you can trade safely and earn comfortably, Bybit is the perfect choice. Follow the link in the description, register with promo code PUMP6969, activate your bonuses, and start your crypto journey today.